Recently at Red Oxx, we've added a laser cutter. Before we would hand cut and stack cut and have to do batches. To get efficiency, you'd have to cut large amounts of bags, sometimes have too many of one color, not enough of another. Now with single piece flow, which is the holy grail of manufacturing, we're able to cut on demand what we need for the day.
So my name is Pedro Mora. I'm with Tecatec. I'm here in Montana installing a brand new laser cutter for Red Oxx. Okay, so we're gonna show you how accurate and fast it is to cut with the laser cutter. Excellent. We have our pattern ready, so we're gonna send it to the cutter. This machine has 0.3 millimeters tolerance, which is less than 1/32 of an inch.
Having this sort of accuracy in our parts helps our production staff able to put the parts together more efficiently and accurately, and increases quality and throughput.
Look, perfect cut, clean.
Perfect.
Yeah, you see the notches? Very accurate.
Wow.
And the drill holes in the middle? Perfect, isn't it?
Perfect cut.
Beautiful.
Way better than what I could do.
Perfect parts make perfect bags.
Yeah, glad you're happy. Merry Christmas.
Best Christmas gift ever.